All CrystalBlast Sandcarvers come standard with Toolless maintenance quick disconnect hose fittings. The first step is to remove the metal grate from the reclaimer side of the cabinet to access the hose fitting. Once the grates are out of the way, you have access to the quick disconnect fitting located here. This quick disconnect fitting has teeth on the inside of the fitting, which retract when the white ring is pushed down. Push down on the white ring to release the connection and remove the hose. To reinsert the hose, simply push the end of the hose into the fitting. Give the hose a gentle tug to ensure it is secure. All hose fittings on CrystalBlast sand carving cabinets are quick disconnect, including the hose nozzles. This creates a toolless maintenance experience. To learn more about our quick disconnect system and toolless maintenance sand carvers, reach out to our experienced tech reps.